Happy Aloha Friday! And I'm using my Aloha Friday shirt. Well, it says Aloha Army because it's by that company, Aloha Army. And they have a store in Pro Ridge, I think. That's where my mom got it for me. Yes. So, anyway, I have to hurry up with this video today because I have a lot to do and I have a lot to talk about. So I have to... I have my annual eye exam today, which is, me. I don't have very good eyesight, so I have to go. I go every year just to like see if it got worse or not. And so far, the last 3 years, it hasn't gotten worse. It's the same. So yay! But I hate going because of the tests that they do. I have 2 tests that I really hate. And the first test is the one where you're like up against this thing where you're like this, and then they blow a puff of air in your eye and they're like, okay, get ready, poof. I hate that test. I don't know if it's what it's for, like glaucoma? I don't know. I'm just guessing. And then the other test I hate is the one where you're just like looking into space, into this like thing, and they give you like a clicker button thing and they tell you like, okay, if you see like a little light or something in the corner of your eye, press the button. So I'm like just like pressing the button and I don't even know if I'm pressing the button at the right time because I don't know what I'm looking for. And then pretty soon I start seeing like phantom flashes of light and I don't like that. It's horrible tests. I'm sure it has some kind of... Oh my gosh, I have like mess right here. I'm sorry. That's all the boxes I have to get rid of. But excuse that box of forks. So, okay. So that's that one. And then the rest of my weekend I have to like go... Sorry, it was bothering me. See, look, oh my gosh, I'm having problems today. First, I forget to take out this box trash, and then, never mind. Alright, so I also have to get out some racks this week, and I finished some drawings for some people. Yay! And speaking of racks, I got a weird, funny, cute... I don't know, I was just shocked because I went to my post office box this weekend and I like checked my mail, and then I got a package notification and I was like, okay. So then I brought it to the counter and then the guy like brings out this Barnes and Noble box. I was like, Barnes and Noble? What did I order from Barnes and Noble? I didn't order anything. So I was all confused, and then so I get home, I open it, and it was a gift from a rack from cassrawk. I think that's how you say her IG name and YouTube name. It's CASSRAWK, and you can find her down below. But she got me something, and it's so cute. It's one of these Kid Robot vinyl toys that you can design yourself. And she got me the kitty one. So cute. So I don't know what I'm gonna design it yet, but I already named it. Even though it doesn't have a design, I named her Cassandra because that's what cassrawk's name is. And I made a video for her on Instagram. Hi Cassandra. And she loved it, so I was happy. But on Vine, I used to make Alfred videos, which I think everybody liked because they were always like laughing. But I made Alfred videos and I made Cassandra her very own Alfred video. So I got that from Cassandra, and I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. But when I do, I might do a video of me doing it when I finally come up with the design I want. So yay. And it's so funny because she does this, I don't know if you guys heard that song, but she's like, Rack City bitch, Rack City bitch. Sorry for the explicit language, but that's what the song is. But when she was making racks, that's what she was singing, and that's so cute. Okay, sorry, I'm rambling now. I also wanted to talk about my typewriter, which I finally got, and I posted a picture on Instagram. I don't know, maybe I'll make a video. I don't know. I don't know if I have time. But if I do have time, because I have about an hour before I have to leave. But if I do have time, I'll try to take a quick video of my typewriter. And it's so cute. It's a Smith Corona, and I think it's from the 1950s. I'm not sure. But it's really tiny. It's a portable. And it came with a case and everything. Okay, so let's start from the beginning and I'll tell it really quick. So on Saturday morning, me and Don got up real early, and we went to, our plan was to go to his hometown area, like where he used to live a while ago, and it is Palmdale, Lancaster area in Los Angeles, and it's 60 miles out of where we live. So we went, and I was so excited because he was like, yeah, we have an awesome flea market up there, and I'm pretty sure they'll have a typewriter. And I was like, okay, sweet, because everything else where we've been looking, it's like $500, which is too much. So we went, and I was like, let's go to my favorite cafe that we used to go to. It's called Roxy's Cafe, and I like that place because they have like this really good strawberry lemonade. So we went, and while we were having breakfast, he texted his best friend and told him we were there because that's where he lives. And he was telling him like, yeah, we're up here for the day if you want to meet up later on. And he was like, what are you guys doing up here? And he was like, well, Joy wants a typewriter for her birthday, so we're trying to hunt one down. And he was like, I have 2 typewriters. If she wants them, she can have them for free. And like, Don was like, okay, can you send us pictures of them? But he never got back to us. So we just went to the flea market, and the flea market was closed. So it was sad. So I was like, oh, now what do we do? So Don finally got a message back from his best friend, and he messaged him pictures of the typewriters, and they were so awesome. Well, one was gigantic. It was like Olympia or Olympic, or I don't remember the brand name, but it was a really big typewriter, like bigger than laptops and desktop kind big. So he texted the other one, and Don was like, I'll buy it from you for $30. And he was like, no, it's creepies, which is what he calls his daughter. It's creepies. And Don was like, then why did you show it to me if it's hers? And he was like, well, she has to work on her giving skills anyway. I'm gonna make her give it to you. And he's like, come by the house. So we were about to go, and then he said, oh wait, don't come by. I have to go pick up the kids from his parents' house. So we waited a while in that area, and we went to this place called Charlie Brown Farms, and it's this really weird, crazy, I don't know what to call it. It's like general store maybe, I don't know. But it's this crazy place, and they have like all these weird knickknacks, like these porcelain figures of random things, like Elvis cookie jars and all these weird things, that Jesus flashlights, because Jesus will lead the way for you. And I was like, this is so crazy, but it was fun. It was like going to a museum of tackiness, basically. And not only did they have all that other stuff, but they also had like a ton of different kinds of candy, and I don't know. But the weirdest thing, and Don has been there before a bajillion times because he grew up in that area, and I guess it's been there since the town was there. So he was like, I have to show you the craziest part over here. And so we went to the meat section of this place, and they had all these weird meats. Like they had turtle meat, and they had rabbit meat, and the weird ones that I thought were kangaroo ground meat. Kangaroo! I was like, what the heck? And then he shows me kangaroo medallions, which is basically like kangaroo, private areas. So I was like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. So I posted a picture on Instagram, on my personal Instagram, and everybody was like, I didn't eat it, I promise. I just took a picture because it was crazy. So yeah, it was just funny. So we spent a good amount in there, and that gave enough time for his best friend to get home. So I was like, yay! So we went to his house, and he brought out the case, and it was so cute and small, and it was in good condition. Like, he was typing on it, worked perfectly, everything. The only thing that was missing was the ribbon in it. So we had to go look for some place that had a ribbon. So we just hung out at his house for a little bit, and his wife was sick, so we didn't stay that long because we felt bad for her. And then after that, we went to go see Despicable Me 2, which is crazy because the last time we saw Despicable Me, it was in that same theater all the way up there. And so we were like, oh my gosh, this is where we watched the first one. So that was cool. And we went to Michael's. Their Michael's is dead up there. Like, nobody's in there. I guess there's not that many crafters in that area. But it was the cleanest Michael's I've ever seen. And then, okay, so this video is getting too long. And this story is long. I should have just made a separate video, yeah. Whatever. Okay, so I looked up on my phone real quick, like typewriter repair or whatever. And we found one real close to our apartment. It's like about 5 to 10 minutes away. We went there right after, drove the 67 miles back home, went to the typewriter place, brought it in, and the guy was like, oh, this is pretty good working condition. Like, all you need to change is that roller thing on the top, because I guess mine is real worn out and it's really hard. So if the key hits like when you press the key and that thing hits that part, it could snap off I don't know what those are called, the ones that go tuk, 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 you know what I mean? Could snap it off. So he said for now, if you don't want to pay the $100 for that new roll, then just use extra paper, which is fine because I was planning on like sticking things onto a piece of paper and peeling them off. So that's fine, and he said just clean it real well. And I did already. I didn't clean the inside yet though because I'm scared to take it apart. But he's like, yeah, it's in great condition, and this thing's worth like $595 or something crazy. And he showed me one that was perfectly clean and everything, how it's supposed to look. And what else about it? Yeah, and he gave us a spool of ink. I mean, is it ink? Yeah. Spool of ink. That sounds right? Yeah, I guess. Ribbon! Ink ribbon. Okay, so that was my story of my typewriter, and I'm looking at my list. I think that's it. And I got this from Candy, and I promised you guys that I would try it on camera, and I'm excited. So it's called Coffee Crisp, and I guess this is a real popular candy in Canada. So hello to my Canadian subscribers. I'm trying one of their candies. I have never tried one before, by the way. And I've been waiting all week. It's just been looking at me on my desk like, eat me now. Eat me now. You can't wait till Aloha Friday. So this is how it looks like. It just looks like a regular candy bar. It's crunchy and it's really good. Sorry. It's like coffee with a wafer. Like, I don't know if you can tell. But it has like those wafer kind of things, and the chocolate is really good with the coffee. It is really yummy. I don't know if I should eat the rest of this because it's still real early in the morning. It's only 7:45. But this is super yummy, Candy. Thank you so much. I wonder where I can get more of this. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side for now because I don't know if I can eat candy, a whole candy bar early in the morning, so I'm gonna save it for later. It's really yummy. Coffee, if you guys love coffee, you will love this. I'm not kidding. Like, I can taste, when you eat it, you can't really taste it because of the chocolate, but the aftertaste is coffee, which is really crazy, and it's really yummy. So next week I'll try Smarties. I think that's the other one. Yeah, I'll try that next. I don't remember if I talked about my giveaway. So if I did, then I'll just cut this part out. But, so my giveaway this week was Agnes from Despicable Me, and in the info box below the video, I put to write your favorite scene. And this week, I'm definitely just putting the people who put their favorite Despicable Me scene. Or if you said enter me, I would, enter you. I'm entering you guys into this drawing. But I really want a fan of Despicable Me to win this week, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put the fan of Despicable Me to win. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'm gonna do this right now. This is my this is the drawing that I did, and the results are gonna be probably in the next clip. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and it's Friday, so yay! And I hope, I don't know what I hope. I hope my eyes didn't get worse. So bye guys, and see you again, or you'll see me again in the next video. Bye! Agnes, so fluffy drawing from Despicable Me, and here are the 18 people that either commented that they wanted to be entered into this drawing, or that they really love Despicable Me and they actually said their favorite scene, which is what I wanted. So all you 18 lucky people get to have a chance at winning this drawing. So 18, generate, and number 11. Let's see who number 11 is. And it is a little pink fish. So congratulations, a little pink fish. You won the drawing. Yay! So PM me your address so I can send you your prize. And please PM me by Sunday so I can send it out on Monday. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.